video, I'm going to be talking more why YouTube vlogs are not getting views at all, okay? Don't get me wrong, this is not to say that a lot of people there that are doing vlogs are not getting views. Yes, they are getting views, but 99% of YouTube vlogs fail because of some of these reasons that I'm going to be mentioning. If you're a vlog channel or you're about to start up a YouTube channel and then you are going to start doing vlogs, just listen to some of this that I'll be able to say. I think this will actually help you have an edge of what you are going to do, okay? You're just one video away to just get that viral video that you actually want, but there are things that you need to put into place before you can actually get into that outbreak. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. With that being said, let us dive right into this video. Let me say this and let me just say this, but if I'm wrong, correct me. Those days where vlogs are actually the spike or vlogs are actually on top is over, okay? I'm not saying that vloggers are not getting views. Don't get me wrong. Understand my reasons. So if you are doing vlogs right now and you are a new YouTuber, these are some of the things that will not make you get views on your vlogs. One of the things is, what are your vlogs targeted audience? It is very, very important that as you're putting out vlogs, what category of people do you want your vlogs to actually fall on their doorpost? You don't just wake up and just pick up your phone and then you just want to vlog anything and put it here. Trust me, a lot of people will not watch. Even when YouTube keep recommending your videos over and over again, people will lose interest on your channel. Even when they subscribe, they will lose interest because at the end of the day, they don't even know what they actually want or what your channel is feeding them with. So if you are a vlogger, you need to know what you are feeding your audience. The categories of people you want YouTube to actually drop your videos on their doorstep. It's not just by picking out your camera and then just filming anyhow. This is another reason why vloggers will not be getting views, or some of them might end up not getting views at all. A lot of them don't pay attention when it comes to editing their videos, okay? As a vlogger, you need to pay more attention in editing your videos because one of the things that captivates us there or magnet us there to watch your vlogging channel is your editing skills. That is just the truth. So if your editing skills is poor, you might not get all of that views that you are looking for. I'm not saying you are not going to get views, but you're not getting all of that views that you're looking for, or you're not going to get that viral video on time. So now, what do I expect you to do as a vlogger? You need to work on your editing skills. I've been into vlogging before. I've said it on this channel literally that anything I am saying here is actually what I have experienced. I remember starting up my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel with vlogs. And that vlogs, when I go back now and I watch that vlogs, I told myself, I am the reason why I did not move ahead where I was supposed to move ahead, to be honest. Because my vlogs, they are good, they are interesting, but my editing skills were so poor. And aside my editing skills being so poor, my titling were nothing to write home about. And the worst part of it that sucks is my thumbnail. You can see me doing a whole lot of vlogs that is so beautiful, but at the end of the day, I'm going to put a careless thumbnail that is not even giving that video an edge where that video is actually going to. So if your editing skills is way, way bad, just know that you need to improve on your editing skills as a vlogging channel for you to be able to strive out there. I've done a lot of reviews about this particular lady, and this lady hardly talks on her vlogs, but her vlogs are meeting up to the spike. In fact, there is no way I see her videos on my channel or on my page that I don't check what is the new thing that I need to see, because I love it. It's entertaining. Vlogs channel are channels that are supposed to be getting more views, more visibilities, more than tutorials or some other channels. But you notice that a lot of vlog channels have good content, but they don't have good editing skills, or their editing skills is zero, or they are not even willing to improve at all. I remember at when I got married and I started working more on my editing skills, on my vlogs and every other stuff retaining concerning my vlogs, started bringing one or two spies that I've not been bringing before. I started talking less and acting more in my vlogs. I saw a lot of audience retention. My vlogs that I've not been getting any views started getting 300, 500, 800, and even to up to over 1,000 views on some of my vlogs. Work on your editing skills. Another thing that actually sucks vlogs is talking too much and acting less. You are telling us that you are going to the market. It's going to be a day in your life in Nigerian market, and we are not seeing the market. Only for you to tell us that you're going to the market, and you coming back, we are just seeing that, oh, I am back from the market. You're not even showing us the stuff that you have gotten from the market. People will lose interest, because if I want to watch a day in my life as a sit-at-home mom, I want to see exactly what you are doing as a sit-at-home mom. If I want to watch a day in your life in Nigerian market, I am not in Nigeria, and I want to see what Nigerian market is all about. So if you less more of talking and do more of action, it is actually going to make your vlogs has that particular view or that particular desire amount of viral videos that you actually want. Learn to show us, or learn to show your audience what you are vlogging about. For crying out loud, you are a vlogging channel. You are not a channel that you are coming to sit just the way I am sitting and then I am talking. Your work is to show us what we need to see. And if we are not seeing that particular thing we are expecting to see from you, we are going to lose interest. And if we are subscribed to your channel, at the end of the day, you end up losing subscribers. So keep your vlogs interesting, keep your vlogs entertaining, show us what we need to see, less more of talking, and at the end of the day, you are going to be getting your desired views. Tell me why I cannot see people like Dinah Ekweme vlogs and ignore. No matter what I am doing, I will definitely take out my time to watch that vlog, because from the beginning of this vlog, I am already seeing what I need to see. I am already knowing or feeling the vibes that I need to feel. At the beginning of the vlog, I am seeing what is already captivating me. So even if I see more of action from the beginning, and at the end of the videos, I get to see a lot of she talking and I don't want to relate to her talk, I have hit her average viewer duration that can probably give her more money on her channel. So these are some of the reasons why a lot of vlogs channel are actually not succeeding on YouTube. So I don't believe in that word whereby people say bring content that has value, it must be tutorial. No, your vlogs can also have value. Learn to be more specific and tell us what we need to see. Show us, what we need to see. If you're doing a day in your toilet, let's see what is happening in the toilet. If you're doing cooking vlog, let's see what you are cooking. You can't tell us that, oh, I want to cook stew and the rest of the, and this, that. You're not even showing us the stew. You're not showing us the procedures of how you're cooking the stew. And at the end of the day, you say, my stew is ready. My stew is ready. If I'm subscribed and I get tired of subscribing, I can unsubscribe. So please, if you want to keep your subscribers entertained, you want to keep your subscribers intact as a vlog channel, work on your editing skill, talk less, work on your editing skills, talk less, do more of reaction, show us the reality that we are supposed to see more. And trust me, if you're putting all of this into consideration, your channel is going to work perfectly. One thing as a vlog channel that sucks is your thumbnail. Thumbnails are very important. Thumbnails are what people will see out there that will tell them that this is what this channel is all about. This is what this vlog is all about. If I'm seeing a day in your life, and your thumbnail is just showing you sitting like this, or not even showing you saying a day in my life, how do you expect viewers to click? That's why even if YouTube keep recommending your videos over and over again, people lost interest directly from your thumbnail. So your videos might be good, just like my videos were good. If you check my old videos, they are good, but my thumbnail sucks. And since my thumbnail sucks, a lot of people are not being able to relate to my videos, or a lot of people will not even click. There's only a few people that will click. So I hope this video is able to help you out there as a new YouTuber, as a vlogging channel, to be able to step up your game, so that a lot of people can be able to like watch your videos, and a lot of people can be able to like engage in your videos. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question you want to ask me, do well to ask me, and trust me, I'm going to be answering all of that. If you're hearing just know that it is raining in my area, and trust me, this makeup cannot go in vain, because I must have to film what I have to film. So with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.